What's happening, Hot Wheels collectors, especially the ones that like cartoonish cars? What we have here is a 2005 first edition of the 67 Chevy II. Is the Chevy II also the Nova? I can't remember. Please leave a comment and educate us. This is number 10 of 10 of the Blings series that year. Short card, I guess. Alright. The reason why I asked about the Nova is because I searched for Chevy 2, and then three of these cartoon images back here say Nova next to them, so I'm gonna guess so. Anyways, let's see what Hot Wheels did on this guy. It's I don't know if it's a metallic paint. I think it almost looks like it's a blue clear coat on top of the casting, but maybe I'm wrong. It's nicely done. A little contaminant there, but for a mainline, pretty great. I'm noticing here I have a side pipe here and a nice deep exhaust inlet there, so you can paint that black nice. So chrome plastic bottom, so that's leading out to the bumpers, and some sort of sissy bar for drag racing. And then Malaysia does show you Chevy 2 there, and then the year, so that's nice. Yeah, and then a little bit of a Hot Wheels outline there, the logo that is. Okay, I like that the wheels are recessed, so that's pretty neat too. Although doing the 3D printed wheel project is going to prove difficult, I'm going to have to work around that somehow. I don't like drilling these apart anymore. I put a drill bit through my hand doing it once. I'm not very coordinated. Okay, nice grill here. You got some depth and detail to the grid here. And then the headlight is recessed and yet sticking out at the same time. And then nice, there's actually a printed on Chevy bow tie license plate here. Some inlets here, maybe a turn signal there, but no paint. Okay, so it must have like well, you know what it is? The windows are actually black plastic, so this must be the same piece of plastic. Well, the windows are smooth and they molded like a texture on this one, it looks like. This little hood bulge. Okay, nice printing for these, I guess it's a stripe, kind of, sort of. It's just so wide, black and, well, it looks to be white. It's not silver, it's white. Some rib detail here by the windshield. This side of the car, I'm now noticing there's some door handles sticking out. And then this character line. Probably like a chrome line on the real thing. Or some sort of ridge, whatever. It's there. Yeah, door cut looks good. And then to the back, we have a key mechanism there. And then nice recesses for the taillights. And then, yeah, really shiny rear bumper, license plate area, and then this, like, drag sissy bar thing. So, unfortunately, it's so close to the ground. Let's see. Not much. Well, I guess it's kind of a drag. Kind of like that drawing there. These short wheelbases, they just spin out a lot. But the big diameter, they do roll pretty nice if you're into that, actually playing with these things. Okay, well, let me see what kind of wheels I come up with. On this one I decided to go with just the steel wheels with hubcaps in the center, and the center caps have the little Chevy logo. I Sharpie some gold on there. So those slots actually I think do pass air. I can't remember. Yeah, they do. There's some light going through on the backside. And the tires are a separate piece. And I clipped off a wheel and I reused the axle so I didn't have to drill out this thing. But to mount this I actually made, with a separate tire. I put the tire into the casting first. Then I put the wheel into the tire, right? So that's how I got this thing to fit in there. And then there's a hole going through the entire wheel, and so I push in the other wheel on this side. And once the axle is centered, then I glue on the center caps. So it's actually a three-piece wheel / tire thing going on here. So it does roll and stuff like that. Although I actually don't like doing that because this is going to fall off the spinning coaster, so I'm going to take a little poster putty right now and just lock it in place so it doesn't roll. Okay, some black paint in the grill and these little vents here, silver on the headlights, and some paint in the tail lights there, so that's all I did, I think. Yeah. Oh, what's that? I have to clean that up, some random gunk from the painting process. Oh, there's also a little black paint in these side pipes, so that's neat. Alright, a lot of cool drawings out there of these Chevy Novas. And then I do have this green light of a Chevy Nova. Granted, I think this is the next generation one, but still. Get an idea. This is a 72 Nova, so yeah, it's the next generation. Give an idea of scale. Wow, this is a huge Hot Wheels. And then compared to Chorokyu, the standard of deformation, this is a Ford Anglia from Harry Potter. As you can see, it's a sticker of those kids. And it's huge compared to Chorokyu. And then this is a freebie. I think it's a Kirin coffee. Yeah, I literally have a sticker on the bottom saying Kirin. I keep forgetting what it is. So that's even smaller than Chorokyu. So this Hot Wheels is just a behemoth. It's huge, but it's cool. It's definitely a funky styling. You know, it has almost no cockpit or canopy. Right, the side windows. The windows are so short in height. Yeah. There's a top view. It's also a really wide casting, wider than a true 64. Assuming that Greenlight is true 64, I like to give them the benefit of the doubt. Alright, well, let's get this thing spinning on its own. And today we got the old guy from that cartoon movie, Up. It doesn't stand very well. There he goes. So anyways, yeah, this is a cool Blings. It's really big, but the overall proportioning I really enjoy. Yeah, it's really cool. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.